What's up everybody? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the inner fender splash shields from a 1979 to 1993 Fox Body Mustang. Let's get right into it. To get started, safely support the front of the car with jack stands or the entire thing with a lift. Remove both front wheels. Loosen and remove all of the Phillips head retaining screws. There will be one at the front, top, and rear of the fender, as well as 4 underneath the car. For 87 to 93 GTs, removing the 2 retaining screws from the spat behind the tire will allow you to gently move the spat enough to remove the rear splash shield retaining screw. Now, remove the 4 push pins from the splash shield. There will be 2 on either side of the strut, one near the rear of the K-member, and the other one is all the way forward and underneath the frame rail. With all the attaching hardware now removed, separate the splash shield from the fender lip and roll the insides of the splash shield towards the strut. Remove the splash shield from the car. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side if it's needed. After that, you're good to go. To reinstall the splash shield, reverse the removal steps, or you can check out the dedicated video down in the description. Like any of our videos, I hope this one has helped you out. That's all we have for you today, so until we see you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.